Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to do a VoIP call with the Debtor/patient on the web app. Once enabled, a dial button will become available in the diary and Debtor side panels, and the VoIP function will then allow the user to make phone calls from the system. The purpose of the VoIP function is to assist with admin-related calls, such as following up on outstanding accounts. Although, the VoIP function should not be mistaken for the telehealth function. Please take note that this is a paid-for service. If you want to enable the VoIP function on your system, you need to send an email to quotaties@goodx.co.za to receive a contract. Please contact the GoodX office and speak to your FCL for your practice for the necessary arrangements. Now, from the diary screen, click on the patient's booking you wish to dial. The diary side panel will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. From the diary side panel, click on the dial button. Alternatively, without having to make a booking, one can simply click on the Debtors tab above. Search for the Debtor/patient you wish to dial in the search field. Upon selection, the Debtor side panel will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. From the Debtor side panel, click on the dial button. The call event window will then pop up. Click on the caller details panel to expand it. In the select the input device to use drop-down, select your input device that you will be using during the call. Next, you will find the patient's account section, which include medical aid, patient, and total outstanding amounts. The account section can come in handy when contacting a patient with any outstanding amounts. On the right is a call script free text box available. Here you will be able to write down a script to keep in mind of during the call. Underneath will be previously created admin notes for the patient. Next are all the numbers available. Here you will find the debtor and their dependents numbers that have been added onto the system. Each number will have a green telephone icon next to it. You can click on the icon next to the number you wish to dial. If you wish to dial a different number, simply type the number in the other number field and click on its green telephone icon to start the call. There are actions available for before, during, and after a call. You can choose to go into their account and/or go into the debtor's details. The call status will show in the grey box underneath. Once the call is started, a panel will appear under the call status box, which will contain the current call's details. It's best practice to give a disclaimer to the Debtor/patient that the call will be recorded. During the call, one can complete the fields under the call details panel and make use of the various action buttons. To end the call, simply click on the hang up button in the call status box. After a call is done, the call details will automatically be saved underneath. These details will include the date and time, the duration of the call, as well as a recording of the call. More information about the call can be completed underneath during or after the call. This includes the call outcome, who answered, mood of the person who answered, a payment option, a note text box, and a task follow-up date. Other actions include sending an SMS or email to the patient. You can choose to dial the patient again if your first attempt was not successful. Each call will be saved within a panel with its specific information captured. Once you're done, click on the Complete button in the top right-hand corner of the Caller Details panel. Remember to click on the Save button to save the call's details. To access previous call details, simply navigate to the patient's notebook in their account details.